Hi, Shuo.
Hi Krishnaji, how are you?
Very fine, very fine. So you want to share your experience now?
Yes.
Lodha experience.
Yes, Lodha Palava. Phase 2, project code is Riverside or something. Myself, Shubho Mandal from Calcutta, but since last 12 years I'm in Mumbai and I'm working in an international firm. So majorly I'm transacting and traveling between India and most of probably African countries, European countries and few Asian countries. I'm just 32 years old. Before my 30 years of age, I need to have some achievement. So I thought let's invest in a property because that is the only good way to save your future and for your future generation. So I started my booking with Lodha because this is the one of the renowned brand. And we can trust their service and everything. So I booked Lodha.
Okay.
They called me at the Lodha Palava office. There I have visited. But when I show them my interest, like I have a budget of 50 lakhs only, totally they throw me out from the discussion. They throw me out. Boss, we don't have no option, nothing to offer you because your budget is very less. They don't even try to convince me, okay, boss, sir, you increase 5 lakhs or you increase 2 lakhs. Nothing. Simply they said we
Was
don't
it a
have
psychological technique?
Indeed, it is very much correct. Later I realized that. And it is happening on 2017 October month.
Okay.
After 2 days, I got a call from Lodha. Yes, sir, you have visited us and you didn't finalize any property. So what is your experience and whatever? Totally I'm disturbed by their reply and what experience I had. Right. So I tell them I don't want to book the property with you because this is the scenario. Then the person called Mitul from Pre-Launch Reality, third party of Lodha.
Channel partner maybe.
Yes, channel partner. So that Mitul called me and told, boss, we want to meet you. We want to sit and discuss the budget you are offering. Definitely we will find your property. But I don't know why it's happened. So let us meet. I apologize. Then I totally denied them because they don't give me any respect, I told them I'm working with a reputable company and your guys behaving like I'm a beggar. That Mitul told me, boss, give me one time, any time, even at the midnight, I want to meet and discuss. So I tell them around 10:30 I will be available at Panvel because I'm traveling back from my office. Around 10:30, they wait for me at my society gate.
10:30 at night?
At night.
Okay.
So they join me from the gate. I carry them to my flat. And there my mom was there, my wife was there, and small kid and me. We had a discussion and that Mitul from Pre-Launch, that channel partner, came with a Lodha employee, Saurabh Bhattacharya. And he is Bengali. That Mitul carry a Bengali guy.
Because he knew you are Bengali.
Yes. They give me good offer, Diwali offer, something offer, I don't know. And we finalized the property around 64 lakh, 2 BHK.
64?
They stretched me till 64. I told them that I don't have any much saving.
So earlier you wanted to buy at 50, they stretched you to 64. Okay.
Yes, they stretched me to 64. They show me many things. Colorful story of Palava, Lodha, what you will have in after 10 years, 5 years, school, college, everything inside. My mom was there because my mom staying in Calcutta, but fortunately she visited me in Mumbai. So I find it's a great situation and time to purchase this property. So immediately I paid him 90,000. Same day.
Same night. Okay.
And I have the email with me. It is Thursday, October 12, 2017 at the night 12:09 a.m.
Okay.
So I paid him 45,000 first, then second 45,000 from HDFC Pays app. I received their email also. Congratulations for your booking and everything. Thanks for the confirmation, all this. And post that, we apply for loan. An extra 4-5 lakh I also paid. So whatever the discussion with Souvik and Mitul that day before booking, like I'm staying in Arihant, I wanted the same kind of property. Like from my window, I want to see a free space.
Acha.
There is a river and there is a garden. I told them, you suggest me which flat having this kind of view.
Acha.
I told from your Lodha, wherever you have this river view from the window, and it's a beyond there is a open, like in future there will be no construction going on. That
In
means
front
I
of your
find
house.
a end property, end building. My only criteria is I want a open view, river view, fully open space till the future. They came up with a suggestion, the building called Marvella.
But you closed on the price without closing on the building?
No,
Because-
I'm telling you, this was the discussion before paying the money.
Before
When we
paying
confirm,
the-
then we pay the money. Marvella F1101 the flat number is. And they told, sir, this is the flat. You always having open view because no further plan or any extension will be there because this is the end building. And I told them, okay, do we have any picture of Marvella or structure? They show me booklet. And on the booklet, they make arrow. Okay, this is your face towards the river. Unfortunately, that time, Marvella miniature is not available on their sales office. I asked them, okay, can you show me any video or something? They told, okay, it is not
Miniature
available.
means model, is it? You are talking about
Model,
the 3D model.
small building, structure, what is the actual face. So they show me on a booklet, okay, this is Marvella and this is your facing by the arrow, and I'm totally convinced. Then I confirm and pay. Post my booking, I never visit Palava. I didn't have a chance. Always Mitul come to my house or he meet somewhere in between like CST and Panvel over the road or somewhere to my house. I'm signing the papers, property, everything. After my booking, I visited once the day when we need to do registration.
Okay.
I visited Dombivli registration office. So from that day, when booking is done, everything is done, I asked Mitul, okay, whatever property I have, it is the same. He told me, yes, boss, it is written on agreement after your window. I told him, my window, I want the river. So he explained, no, after your window, there is a small garden, then you will fill the river. Everything they explained. And they convinced me your agreement is the same, the way you want the property. Even after that, around 2018, end of the year, all were having discussion, registration, paying 4-5 lakhs from cash money. Later, I go for the loan. Around December 2018, I asked them, okay, it's almost 1 year. And that time you told me my property, small models are not available, 3D not available. But right now I want to visit my property. If the structure is available, I want to see whatever we discussed over the email. 2018, 19 December, around 3 p.m. I shoot one email to them. I want to visit the site. I want to see my property. And they replied me, until the property is ready, we are unable to show you.
So,
Until the property we hand over, like whenever your handover is there,
possession.
that time we will sell. And when property under construction, as per our laws, we are unable to show you. They never show me. So I didn't force many things. I'm paying the EMI, I'm paying everything. And that time, around 2017, it was like my 60% of earning I am investing on Palava. And also living in Mumbai. So it was very hard. However, things gone wrong when I visit again. I think around 2019, my mother-in-law want to see the property. And she also willing to buy a 1 BHK in Palava. I again contacted Souvik Bhattacharya.
So you have a very
Yes.
comfort
I'm
level.
also comfortable because Souvik was Bengal. So we visited one evening Palava, and indeed Palava arranged the Ola service. We landed at Palava. Then we went to sales office, and there I only know Souvik, so I called him. Souvik, she is my mother-in-law, she is my wife. So Souvik, can you show us a property that we can finalize right away, because my mother-in-law also want to invest in a 1 BHK. So yeah, we can do. You are my returning customer. We will give much discount and everything. Then after seeing the property and everything, I told Souvik, now your model structure is available. Can you show me where is Marbella and what is my facing? And that day, Souvik show me the model flat, because the sample flat is available there. Okay, this is your dining, this is your everything. Here is one AC we are going to give you free. This is your bedroom. This is your kitchen. Then I asked him, Souvik, I am convinced with the flat. It is okay. It's beautiful and it's a very good property. Now tell me what is my facing. That time you told me river facing. So I want to confirm today. And if you have a small model, show me. Then Souvik, okay, wait, let me check. He took 20 minutes understanding with his team and everyone. Then come to me and tell that the view is opposite side. It's an inside view.
It is not facing the river. It is the exact opposite side.
Exact opposite door. Suppose two flats are facing each other.
Right.
So they promise me a flat which is facing to the river.
Right.
But it is exactly opposite door.
My God.
Then I totally run. You show me on the miniature, and that time Marbella model is available. They added on the entire structure. You know, in their sales office, there is a model of flats. So they show me this is this facing. Then I told Souvik, what you did, मेरा पूरा दिल टूट जाता है. I'm totally broke. कि my entire life saving 70%, 80%. You won't believe, Krishna ji. 30 years or 29 years old guy staying in Mumbai, having family and maintaining a reputed job or car and everything. You know, Mumbai life is totally over EMI. And you know what Souvik did after explaining that thing? He told me, Shubho, it is better, you know, because when there is an open face and when there is a river facing property, too much wind can break your windows every day. This is the explanation. So it is better you have the opposite property, and it is a very good one. It's a very beautiful one. Why you are not appreciating that? Then I told Souvik, what is happening? What you promised? My wife is there. She was there, and we told you I'm staying in Arihant. We are having the same kind of property. Like from my property, I can see hill and river. I show you this kind of setup, and I told you I don't want to select any building or any flat.
यानी तुमको मैंने तुम्हारा हाथ बांधा नहीं था. It left your hands.
हाँ, हाथ बांधा नहीं था कि मुझे यही बिल्डिंग में, यही फ्लैट में, यही फ्लोर में चाहिए. I still remember very clearly those details, because when Souvik show me this property F1101 Marbella, Mitul ने उसको question किया कि Souvik, this one the facing what Shubha is asking. उसने बोला हाँ वही facing है, don't worry, this is the same facing. मेरे को पूरा clearly याद है, pie to pie that date, पूरा details याद.
मैंने channel partner ने उससे confirm भी किया था कि भाई
yes, Souvik पूरा 200% confidence था. सही property आपको मिल गया, आपका किस्मत अच्छा है, हम आपका मम्मी भी है, कांग्रेचुलेशन. मतलब बंगाली में वो चालू हो गया. मिठाई लेके आओ. ये 2019 का भी वापस आ जाते हैं हम लोग, जब जो मैं फेस किया कि वो सेम प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट द सेम प्रॉपर्टी व्हाट Souvik Bhattacharya, the Lodha guy, promised. And when I told Souvik, I can't buy this, the explanation कि wind आएगा, आपका विंडोज टूट जाएगा, ग्लास टूट जाएगा एवरी डे, बेटर यू गेट द अदर प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज नॉट योर डिसीजन.
करेक्ट.
तो मेरे को बोलता है, अरे आप 2 साल में फिर आए क्यों नहीं देखने के लिए? मैं बोला क्यों आऊँ? 10 times मैंने मेल किया और ईमेल में लिखित मेरे पास रिप्लाई है, वी विल नॉट एबल टू शो यू द प्रॉपर्टी अंटिल इट इज रेडी फॉर हैंड ओवर.
राइट.
आपका सेफ्टी के लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू है, इसलिए हम जाने नहीं देते. दिस वाज द clarification over phone also. I called them also for visiting the property. तो ये सब घटना के बाद Souvik मेरे को क्या बोलता है, आपका प्रॉपर्टी में स्विच करके देता हूँ, एक काम करो, आप मुझे ईमेल करो. जब मेरा वाइफ भी थोड़ा रोने को आ गया कि क्या हो गया, अपना पूरा इन्वेस्टमेंट पानी में जा रहा है, वो लोधा में ही चालू है, सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने, मॉडल फ्लैट के सामने ये सब घटना चालू है। तो मेरे को बोलता है कि शुभ, what you can do, you drop me an email. You are not happy with the property position and what we expect. You explain the entire thing. Put all the blame on me. I will try to change your property. तो मुझे लगा यार ये बंदा गलती कर दिया, अभी उसको सुधरने का कोशिश कर रहा है, तो he is a good guy. So I did the same. I put email and everything. After putting the email, when Lodha called me back, what is happening, how it is came. Shobhik, me and Lodha guy, some lady, we had a conference call and over the call Shobhik told me, नहीं आपके एग्रीमेंट में तो लिखा है, आपने चेक करके साइन किया है, आपने बोल के ही किया है, मतलब he totally ignored.
अच्छा, so now he is acting like he is arguing on side of Lodha.
He doesn't know anything. हाँ, और मैं कुछ बोल नहीं रहा था कि शोभिक तुमने ही तो आइडिया दिया है मुझे मेल करने का. Then I broke. I told, madam, what is happening? This is wrong. This guy, first of all, he did the mistake. He explained and keep the customer in dark. Even Lodha did very badly because मेरे पास ईमेल है प्रॉपर्टी विजिट करने का और मैं बकायदा ईमेल पे लिखा कि पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन और फेसिंग चेक करके मैंने बुक किया है. सो आई वांट टू सेटिस्फाई माई सेल्फ, आई वांट टू विजिट द प्रॉपर्टी एंड आई वांट टू चेक द फेसिंग. उन्होंने ना बोला ईमेल के ऊपर, बकायदा लिखा है. एंड नाउ द डे आई अंडरस्टैंड 2019, जब मैं वी अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज द रॉन्ग प्रॉपर्टी दे आर ऑफरिंग मी, देन शोभिक ने मुझे आइडिया दिया कि मेल करो, ये सब करो, सब करो, मैं सोल्यूशन ढूंढ के देता हूँ. सो आफ्टर दैट कॉल, some day later, I totally thoroughly following up with them, sending emails and everything. So we called me कि आपका प्रॉपर्टी में चेंज करके दे सकता हूँ, आपको एक्स्ट्रा 10 लाख 12 लाख पे करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वैल्यू चेंज हो गया, मैं दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी देता हूँ.
From 64, they now want to stretch you to 76.
70, more than. Now valuation. So I strictly told, I don't have a penny.
This was a technique to stretch you further.
Yes, I think they are not human, they are robot. He is telling me, अरे 10-12 लाख कुछ भी नहीं यार, मैनेज कर लो, तुम्हारा सासू माँ से मांग लो, तुम्हारा काजन से मांग लो, इधर से मांग लो, ऐसा ही मेरे को बोल रहे हैं.
अरे
I told Shobhi, you are mad. What I am going to do, that is my headache, but I don't have a penny to spend on this property. Right. I don't have any extra money.
एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है बेसिकली. दे मस्ट हैव थॉट, अरे ये फॉरेन टूर में जाने वाला बंदा है, इस गॉट 10-12 लाख ऐसे ही पड़े हैं.
I don't know how they treat the customer and what is the definition of customer to this Lodha people. यार, I'm investing 70%, 80% of my life saving, and after that you are asking something. I'm not eligible to get extra loan even.
Right.
After all this, I told them I don't want to pay any extra thing. I don't have any extra capacity to paying it off. Change this property on the same your cost and everything. I'm happy. And over the call also I spoke to Lodha कि at any property of Lodha you just change this property. I don't want to go ahead.
रिवर साइड दे दो, बस खत्म.
Yes, रिवर साइड दे दो.
रिवर साइड सामने कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस इज द कंडीशन.
तो कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, सामने कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे ओपन स्पेस चाहिए. और रिवर साइड दे दो, कोई भी बिल्डिंग, छोटा बिल्डिंग, बड़ा बिल्डिंग, इधर भी दे दो.
अच्छा, ओके.
आई नीड ओपन स्पेस, क्योंकि 30 गज में और थोड़ा मीटर में जाके दूसरा बिल्डिंग का दीवार आ रहा है, वो आई कैनॉट डाइजेस्ट दैट एनवायरमेंट. मुझे ओपन स्पेस चाहिए, रिवर बेसिंग चाहिए, आप किधर भी दे दो. टोटली डिस्परेटली मैं एवरीडे ईमेल करने लग गया. इवन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम उनका जो भी पेमेंट है हमें पे करते गया, और ईमेल के ऊपर प्रूफ है कि आई एम पेइंग इट, आई एम नॉट स्टॉपिंग द पेमेंट, बट प्लीज सॉल्व दिस इशू बिकॉज आई ट्रस्ट द ब्रांड. कुछ नहीं किया. वन डे आई ईमेल देम, आफ्टर लॉन्ग डिस्कशन आई ईमेल देम कि इफ यू आर नॉट सॉल्विंग इट आई विल नॉट पे एनी मोर. ऑन दैट ईमेल दे रिप्लाइड मी 2019. They replied with me कि we charge you prime location charges which is 1,88,000. Customer satisfaction के लिए we can waive off this money.
We charge you 1,88,000 for which prime?
They charge me over the invoice which is called prime location something.
Charges for the flat which you don't even like, that one?
Yes. The day I'm booking that flat on that night, they show me, okay, boss, I ensure them that this is river facing open. Yes, boss, because we are charging you prime location charges. If you book a non-prime property, this 1,88,000 would be not there.
And now they are saying that we will waive 1,88,000.
Okay, I'm quoting the line. Please be informed in regards to your raised concern. We shall go ahead and credit back the premium charges charged to you at the time of booking of rupees 1,88,568. They write me this email. उसका मैंने रिप्लाई दिया, पूरा मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टेक में है, I cannot accept this 188. You please change my property. I'm not bargaining with them. So post that, they told me, okay, let us try to change the property. They appointed 2-3 people, somebody calling me for bank. Okay, boss, you submit your another documentation for another loan. I don't know why I need a second loan. Then another sales team came to me. Another sales team came to me and they show me another property. Okay, this is river facing, you can buy. They told me, okay, we are going to change your property. Do one thing, pay us 50,000 rupees.
Token.
I told them why? Token. I told them why? Okay, boss, until you pay 50,000, we cannot block this property for you. Let us block this property, then we will apply you loan. Then block this property, then we will apply you loan for the new property. Then slowly we will cancel the old property. Then we will transfer all the accounts, all the money, all the transaction to your new property. I told them I am unable to pay. I cannot invest more money on this, and 50,000, 1 lakh is very big to me. While I am paying you 40,000, 50,000 every month EMI for the same property, I don't have any capacity to pay another 50,000 to you. Till 3 days they follow me. Sir, we cannot hold this property. You at least pay 40,000, 30,000, 20,000 to block this. Then I had a doubt that these are the right guy from Lodha or how they are discussing cheap.
वो फिर बाद में कुछ और बोलेगा, कोई और है.
हाँ, I told them, I emailed them, and whatever the cost relevant, that is Lodha's responsibility, not mine. Always I am keeping CC to Lodha and this Saurabh Bhattacharya and all that. And still Saurabh Bhattacharya working in the organization till today. So
लेकिन वो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है. He is silent on
कुछ नहीं. Even I submitted for the new loan. Okay, whatever.
But why new loan? Based on what? What is the new loan based on?
No, they explain me well. Even I convinced. They tell me, okay, new property, let us set for you the new property. Then we will cancel the old property and we will transfer all the transaction to the new account. I convinced. I told them, okay, whatever the process you want, I will help. Whatever documents you want from me, whatever thing, I am not that much rigid. So I submit the documents, everything. Then after a few days, they come back to me. Sir, we cannot get this much loan because already your one loan is running. I told them it is my problem. I took a loan of 63 lakh and another 63 lakh. If I am not eligible, it is my problem.
Correct. बराबर है.
Now it is your problem. Obviously, if a bank analyze my income and expense, okay, this person is eligible to get a 63 lakh loan. How they will allow me to get 1.2 crore loan?
Right.
So it is not my problem. You please solve. But I don't have any money to spend. So after this, I think they failed. And they stopped calling me anything. And they don't even give me any solution.
If you had done it, probably you would have been paying for 2 flats and that would have been the end of the matter. Then they would have come up with some excuse. Sorry sir, we can't do it. अभी आप 2 लोग जगह पे लोन पे कर रहे हो, करो. 2 फ्लैट से 2 लोन पे करो.
200% वही होने वाला था. अरे how I will be eligible? How bank will give me another 70 lakh?
And they must have thought you are a very rich bakra. Riverside and all that, उसका मोह दिखाओ. और उसका
Right, right.
सपने में वो 2 फ्लैट बुक कर लेगा.
How to catch the extra money? That is their main motto.
Hmm.
So post that discussion, when I'm not eligible and all that, they didn't call me anything. They stopped calling me. Even I put 50 emails after that. Till today, they didn't try to communicate with me.
Hmm.
As a small entity, I cannot do anything. I'm a small like guy, 32 years old, and I'm not even staying right now in India. So how we will fight these big people?
Correct.
And I totally messed up. My family, my wife, personally, I'm sharing. They all like whatever you did is totally mess with Lodha. I don't know that property still belongs to me or not. And I am till today every month I am paying the EMI.
So of course the property belongs to you, no?
From the property cost, I think 3 or 4 lakh is only pending.
So you have the agreement, no?
Yes, I have agreement. I have done registration. I
Then how
think
can they sell?
98% property money is paid.
Right. So then how can they sell it or do anything? They will have to give it to
No,
you.
I'm telling my self-realization. Like this chaos are happening, so I really afraid about all the scenario. So then,
Right. They can be say you may get another surprise tomorrow. हाँ आपको नहीं चाहिए था हमने किसी और को बेच दिया. अच्छा लेकिन तुमने कैसे बेचा? मेरा agreement.
yes, I don't know.
We terminated your
even
agreement.
after paying 98% of the property price.
Yes.
I already
We terminated the agreement. You refused to take
Yes.
possession.
Now-
We terminated your agreement.
Now there is another story I want to add here. When they're like applying a new loan, right? They send me some letter for payment. That time I came to know from few person, because they want to reevaluate the property, they want to check, new bank want to check the property, right? So Bajaj Finance and HDFC, few banks gone to check the property, and they come back to me with a different scenario. Okay, boss, your property they are showing it 70% ready, but it is only 40% ready and 50% ready. We cannot give you to this much loan. That means from the schedule they are delaying. How I get confirmed? Okay, this is a true story. So they send me 2 payment requests. One is huge amount, around I think 8 lakhs or 7 lakhs. I'm not sure. Maybe my numbers are wrong. But one is huge amount. And another one is 2 lakhs around. I'm not sure, 1 lakhs or 2 lakhs. Like one is bigger amount, one is smaller amount. I got the last 2 payment requests. When I received that request, I already request my bank to disburse the money. Then my existing bank PNB, New Panvel, they came up with the story, boss. They are asking you, showing you some letter that this much project is ready, but actually the completion percentage is less. We cannot disburse this much money.
There's a mortgage property, so they are also going to do their risk management.
Yes. Then I tell them how much you can disburse. They told, okay, if I try to manage personally, I think around 4 lakh or 5 lakh I can disburse. He told me something like that. He tell me amount. So I told them, okay, do one thing. The bigger amount at least you disburse. These 2 lakh keep pending and let us talk with Lodha. So the bigger amount they disbursed and I paid. And for that smaller amount, Lodha giving me excuse. Our property having different, amenities. So your bank didn't conclude this. Your bank didn't include this. Like we have stadium, we have swimming pool, we have this. So my property not only depend on your building, we have many other things. So they might not include this. I told them, I don't care. You explain and you convince the bank. If they convince, they will disburse your money.
Correct.
And that is 2 lakhs. I think total maybe 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs is pending. That is 2 lakhs. Still, Lodha not. And how these guys are unprofessional. I told them, okay, this disburse request, they stop. Do one thing. It is if already 6 months, 7 months or 3 months, you release a new disbursement by the same value. So I will ask my bank to check now and try to release. You got my point. Suppose every disbursement is having a reference. So bank already closed that disbursement. We cannot disburse this.
They have closed
So
that
do one
reference
thing.
number. Right.
Yes. So I asked Lodha Palava to do one thing. If you really want your money, I don't want to stop. I just want you to solve my problem, but I don't want to stop the payment. Do one thing. If it is already 3 months or 4 months, you release a new disbursement.
Got it.
If you are confident that your property now is properly settled, and you are explaining me that the bank did a wrong valuation and you are right, so release a new disbursement. So by the new reference number, I will ask bank to release now.
Correct.
And let bank reevaluate again.
Correct.
Till today, maybe it is 1 year, we are stuck at that point. They didn't want to change that payment request. I don't know why.
Strange.
They didn't want to change. No, they are always sending me the old request from the old email. And my bank, they are telling me we already cancelled this request. How I can release the funds over that?
So now you are stuck in that. Now you are stuck in that.
Yes, now I am stuck in that. Till today they are doing that. And
are they asking for penalty and all that? Are they asking for interest?
Yes, every day they are sending me interest. Okay, that is the fact. Now why they are asking interest, I don't know, because it is their fault. I asked severally over the email, send me a new payment request, so I will resubmit with them.
Correct.
They didn't send till today. And now, by the discussion, by the everything, they promised me my property will complete by 2020 December. It is already 7 months now. And you are asking me interest for my delay, which is your delay, but you are asking me interest. So who will give me?
But what about your delay?
7 months delay from Lodha?
Send me your mail trail,
Okay.
with all the reminders and all that nonsense.
Yes.
Their penalty, demands and all that. Send me the mail trail. I think you have explained quite well. I can only imagine what it feels like to be in your shoes.
I don't have father, only mom is there. And when after this all struggle, I earn something, and from there I'm investing 80% of that saving to a thing, and which is unsecured. How you feel? Like I'm totally brutally raped or looted by someone. I'm feeling exactly the same.
Right. And there are no remedies. You feel helpless.
Yes. What I did, I'm unable to explain to my wife properly, unable to explain to my family properly, because I'm only decision taker. And I'm unable to explain to any friend properly. Today, if I explain to you, little bit relief I'm getting. Nobody is there till today, from this 2017 to till now. I am unable to explain and even share my pain to anyone.
I think you should thank your lucky stars that you are not eligible for the second loan. If you had been eligible for the second loan, then probably it is quite likely that they would have put another flat on you.
I know it's totally messed up. Today I realize, no, you just tell, I totally agree. And I'm trying to see that scenario. They told me, boss, just give 50,000. We will place another loan and we'll transfer your things. And that day I thought it's quite easy.
Right.
After 3-4 months of try, they told me we are unable to get the loan because you are not eligible.
Right. Otherwise that 50,000 would have gone. 50,000 jane wala.
Yeah. Yes. If that day I got that flat, that means my 50,000 totally gone.
Gone. And if you got a loan, then that also would have been.
And if I got a loan, it is another burden.
Right.
I really want to communicate anyone who is purchasing this Lodha properties.
Yeah.
There are so much hidings.
Right.
Krishnaji, how they explain me. I asked this guy, you told me from my window there is a open view of river. So from my window and the agreement it is mentioned garden. So what it is? They explain me over that line, this is immediately from your window there is a garden, big field. And after that garden the river is started. They explained me.
They
Even
explained it like that. So you
Yes.
were convinced that there is a river and a garden.
Yes. And if you see the Marvilla position, I'm telling you, the flat I exactly hoping for, from that building, there is really a garden and kind of auditorium. And post that, there is a river. But unfortunately, they give me the opposite face, what I expect. Exactly opposite door of the flat.
Okay. Oh God.
Okay,
What a man.
Krishna ji.
What a man.
I really appreciate your time and your patience for all these things.
Not at all. Not at all. And your dream went sour. I feel so sorry that your dream.
Yes.
Saw a dream and that dream went sour before your very eyes. Oh God. Chalo, you'll have to fight. Basically, fight life ahead. Fight.
Yes.
You'll have to
Krishna ji, I'm really want to fight it back.
Right. You'll have to fight.
And like me, maybe other people also on the line.
Lot of people. Mis-selling. Just mis-selling. Just before you, I fielded a call from a Lodha Upper Thane guy. So angry. He's so angry. They gave him possession. He's so angry with quality. He was furious. The quality.
Even the quality is bad.
Terrible. People have sent me videos of the Upper Thane. Horrible. Just every tile is hollow. Bathroom tile is hollow. Wall tile hollow. Ground floor tile hollow. 50% of the tiles are hollow. ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. He says, I am coming from construction industry. He says, मैं construction industry वाला बंदा हूँ बोलता है.
अरे.
But he says it is so
true,
bad.
Very true.
It is so bad. He says it is so horrible.
My goodness.
And he says, before I took possession, I told them. They said, sir, you take possession, we will fix it. He says, I have taken possession. Now it's a frustrating experience after taking possession. They are not fixing it.
I don't know.
I think they are not focusing on their product at all. They are only looking at how to raise money. But what about the product?
Yes.
Brand value है. Where is the product?
इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करके टोटल मनी ब्लॉक और कोई सेटिस्फेक्शन भी नहीं है.
चलो.
Okay.
Thanks, Shubho. All the best.
Take care. Yeah. Bye.